Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Xed Editor on Centos 7. Xed is a simple text editor with more features than the average editor. It features supports for UTF-8 to encode edited files, auto indentations, syntax highlighting, printing and file compression among others. And then Xed also contains the extensible using plugins and also with the pre-installed plugins to help user edit files quicker and more easily. Okay, now let us see how to install Xed Editor on Centos 7. Now here we have to directly install the Xed Editor application. Run the following command. Click OK and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. Now we have to type Xed. Now here we can see Xed Editor application. Now we can able to use this application. Then here we have to check the version of Xed Editor. Here we can see the version of Xed Editor 1.6.2. Thus you have seen how to install Xed Editor on Centos 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.